tests that, let me just say too, it's taken a while for these dials to go. After I unplug the battery, it's like they take a little extended time. A little rough. That's not the issue. That's engine issues. I got clutch issues I'm bringing forth today here. And I learned something new from Chilton. I learned that there's a book called Chilton that says there's a couple of tests in there that I haven't seen on the internet. Alright, and I'm gonna do those tests right here in a little bit. Two separate tests. One is something about going in reverse. Hold the clutch down for 7 seconds, go in reverse, and the other is just hold the clutch down halfway and go back and forth between first and reverse. So I want to do that to test the clutch. Alright, so here we go. We're going to do 7-second test starting now. 1, 2, 3, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi. Yep, there is a grind. Alright, clearly a grind even going in reverse. Alright, the second test is to just go hold it halfway and go back and forth and feel for problems with that. So I'm halfway. I'm about halfway. Alright, there's really no problems. It's not really moving. Okay, so there's something moving. There's something grinding. And I don't know, the second test didn't really holding the clutch halfway and then holding it and then shifting from first to rear didn't really seem to reveal anything. But that first test, certainly going into reverse, I think that it said if you get a grinding going in reverse, because reverse gear is a separate gear all on its own. It's not like a part of anything. It's not a part of a loop or anything. Oh, there it just ground a little bit. Oh, there it ground on second gear. Oh, it ground a little bit. I could feel it in the pedal on third gear. But that's supposed to be like something with maybe a clutch plate that I screwed up. And I still have yet to look into what the effects that cruise control could have on it. There's no way I'm ever using cruise control again because of this issue. But how can this grinding just get really bad, get stiff at the bottom of the push of the pedal, and then lighten up to this grinding? I mean, I read that the hydraulic fluid is self-correcting, but I don't know what to think of it all. I'm still taking it all in. It's a learning process.